tried to sing The Sound of Music. Yes, how many of you have studied the Holocaust in any way? There you go. So it's kind of weird that those things are related, but through her life, those are related. So I am thrilled that she is here.
Heard God tell him to leave his country and go to where God will show him to go. He said, well, if Abraham did it, we can do it too. And so then we chose America because it was the furthest away from Hitler. I think that's a good reason, don't you?